series or a program, otherwise known as program. So there's a full body program. It's split into push, legs, pull, and then a full body workout. So designed to do 4 times a week and have 3 days rest in between. Pick them whenever. And guys, if you haven't checked already, check out the video up here. It'll be linked here. That's the initial or the introduction video to this program, and it'll explain the whole jazz, the point system behind it, everything that you need to get done if you want to compete. If not, you can use this in isolation. Just take this push workout, add it to your program, whatever, you know. Just making sure that we're warmed up. Luke's properly warmed up. It's fantastic. Warmed up and, you know, mobilized everything. We didn't address it. What we didn't address is that we are launching new clothes for the fitness studio. Luke's currently wearing one of the tank tops. These are still in development. These are prototypes, to say the least. So this is the logo. This is the new logo. Yes, TFS, the Fitness Studio.
Let us know what you think though down in the comments, because you know, we're going to be coming up with some more designs. So we also have socks. Check this out. Fuck yeah.
And we've got gaiters, they're called, or buffs, which Peanut is currently wearing. It says the Fitness Studio down here.
Face shields.
The face shields, yeah. So,
we call them doggo buffs.
Doggo buffs. It actually looks quite cute on Peanut.
I think it looks great.
But
it'll look great on YouTube.
Without any further ado, keep updated to that, guys, and we'll get straight into the workout again.
Into the workout!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So, the first exercise we have coming up is the Plyometric Push Up. Jake's going to be performing this one. Assuming Peanut's just attachment to Jake isn't going to ruin his set. A plyometric push up is essentially going to be a power push up. Jake is going to be going slowly down to the ground in his regular push up / plank position, exploding up and giving himself a clap. Peanut's attachment to Jake did indeed get in the way. You're going to perform 5 of these per set. If you can't do these, you shouldn't be doing the workout. The clapping push-up is the barrier for entry for this workout.
Exactly.
Which we do realize is very niche. You can do this workout, but all you have to do is just use the regressions, take out the plyometrics, slow down the movements, and just continue with, regressed versions of the exercises. If you don't know what the regressions are, go check out some of our other videos. We'll link them up here in this corner there for you guys to check out as well. The second exercise in this workout is reverse CrabWalk, so Luke's going to demonstrate. Just pressure through the heels, pressure through those hands, keep those hips nice and low, just moving left and right nice and slow, keeping that chest lifted, eye line forward. Nice and basic, 20 seconds of it. Once again guys, this is just a slight rest for that chest in between these exercises. Beauty. Handstand. Alright, so exercise 3, guys. We're going to be doing the straight push-ups. We want to emphasize this is a special exercise, okay? So for these exercises, you are going to acquire points depending on the amount of sets you do. It's just a regular push-up. We're going to go nice and slowly down, exploding that up, giving some nice power. Right, the 4th exercise in this workout series is a bear crawl for 20 seconds. So Luke's going to set up, knees below those hips, hands below those shoulders. It's nice and slow, forward, alternating those steps. Beauty. Once again, we're looking for that straight alignment from those shoulders to those hips, straight down 90 degrees on those hips to knees. Beautiful. Then guys, coming in at exercise number 5, we have the incline push up. Again, Peanut's attachment to Jake. It's going to make this one a little bit more difficult. I put her in the wrong place. You put her in the wrong place. So, the incline push up. We are elevating our hand stance. Literally a bench, a chair, a table, whatever you need, a step bed, whatever you have in front of you, you can use that. You can even use a wall if you want to, if this one's a little bit too difficult. Same push-up position. Jake's just going to perform push-ups in the incline position. Okay. So the 6th and final exercise, which I can't see because Peanut is on the paper, is wall walk. So he's going to set up in a plank position against that wall, feet against the wall, lovely stuff, and he's going to slowly walk that foot up the wall,
alternating whilst he brings those hands closer and closer. Get into a plank or get into a handstand position. Beauty. Walk all the way in. You can stop whenever, guys. If you come 45 degrees to that wall and it's too much, walk it back, and you can hold it for a second at the top. And all we're doing this for is 30 seconds. Lovely stuff, nice and slow. And reset to that plank position. And then he would go again, basically.
Yeah.
But he's juiced. So anyway, guys, that's the 6th and final exercise of this workout. Alright guys, you know as we like in the fitness studio, we like to do a finisher for the workout. This workout is slightly different. So the objective of these workouts, as you would have seen if you watched the introduction up here, the objective is to collect points from doing these power exercises in these workouts. And the power exercise for this workout is the push-up. So you want 100 push-ups for this workout. So you want to hit 100 of those. You want to hit 100 of those. And
just wait here 5 minutes.
Each one of those is a point. You have 4 sets to complete this. Hence, you do 12 or you do 25 per set. If you can't do that, you aim for 50. And if you can't do that, aim for 25, whatever your ability level is. So Luke's just going to keep cranking out until he reaches 100 push-ups.
Yep.
So much explaining.
So many push-ups.
The finisher, okay? The finisher is your opportunity to hit the next 10 of your push-ups. So say you got 90 push-ups within 4 sets. You get another opportunity at the end to round that off and hit 100. Yeah? And then you get a C, because C is 100 in Roman numerals. We all get it now. Anyway, guys,
We're learning on this
thanks
channel.
very much. And
send your comments and questions in the comments section below.
send your comments and questions in the comment section below.
We'll answer them in due time.
Stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy, all here from the Fitness Studio!